Panical sent me another product to check out. This is a left-hand mount for cameras or phones or whatever you want to put on your left-hand handlebars. They've built it pretty well. It feels like it's aluminum by its weight. It comes with a dual mount, so you can put something on both sides if you had a cup or whatever. So the goal today is just to install this bad boy and see how it looks when it gets on there, if it works for us. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take off our stock cover. It's just one Phillips head screw, and then you just pull this piece back and it's gonna rock back for you. So the way this just works is there's a clip on that side, so you just clip it in there. So when you're taking it off, you're just tilting it back and lifting it out. So if you're not familiar with this, there's a little lock right here that's attached to one of your plastic pieces here, and then you've got this big bundle of wire down here on the bottom. On the OEM, you'll see there's a little guide right here that goes over that piece, and then you've got this big bundle of wire. You do not want to pinch this wire. This wire needs to be protected. Grab this one from Panical's piece. It's got the large gap on it. We're going to slide it over our wire. Ooh, that's tight. And push it up on here. Yeah, that's not going to work. Yeah, this isn't going to work. Doesn't fit. Problem is, this little guy right here is supposed to be inside of this housing. And if I turn it to get it inside the housing, it tilts, so it's not square and the bottom still hangs out. So what'll happen, if I put this piece on, is I will smash that plastic piece. And I am not about to do that. Let's go over to the bench and see if I can figure out what's wrong here. All right, so here's the OEM one, and here's the Panical one. At a glance, I can tell that the OEM hole is slightly wider than the Panical hole. So this is 22.25 millimeters is the opening for the OEM. 21.7, I'll give them 21.75. They're about a half a millimeter narrower here than here. I think they forgot to account for paint, because I'll show you what else is going on here. You can see that this guide hole is also deeper on the OEM one than it is on the Panical one. And I think they're probably the same, but there's paint in here, so it's making it tighter, because this fit really tight. I did notice that putting it on. It felt very snug, so it has no play in it. What they probably need to do is cut this gap onto this side of this fitting so that it gives that peg some space to move around in. You'll also notice they rounded their hole here, so it looks bigger, but it's actually smaller than the OEM hole because it's rounded, it's not squared. So yeah, that's a no for me. Sorry, guys. All right, another product from Panical that I'm disappointed because I actually wanted this. Even though it has this dual ball mount, I actually ordered a converter so I could put a ram mount on there. I'm really upset that nobody makes like ram mounts for the freaking Goldwing. They all make these damn 14 or 16 millimeter balls, whatever they are, instead of a standard ram mount ball size, you know, like 1-inch ball. So yeah, I'll put the OEM one back on, and A for effort, C for implementation. That's what I like to say. All right, keep your wheels down, ride safe.